Hi there, DeeperNauts, and welcome to this week's video, which is about the 17th of July bi-monthly report. So every 2 months they release these reports and they're really good. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the little bell. And yeah, so these reports are done every 2 months, and they basically comprise of all the stuff which Deeper have done in those two months. So we're going to go over May and June of this year. This is the tweet which released it. The link to the actual original document is in the description below if you want to go see it. And yeah, it just gives you an insight of what they've been up to, so they haven't just been sat on their thumbs. Okay, so let's get on with the bi-monthly newsletter. So these things come out every 2 months, and they aim to give you an idea of what they've been doing behind the scenes. What they may not have seen or released on Twitter, you might not know what's going on. So this basically aims to update the community and give you updates. So we're going to go through it like we did last time, and we're going to look at what they've done. So on the hardware side of it, they have improved the air cooling system and optimized overloading protection. Okay, the air cooling thing doesn't really mean much because they have a hub for that. That may be for the air perhaps, and the optimized overloading protection, that's great, obviously, so you don't pop your device if you have like a power cut or something. And 2.5 gigabits per second high performance mini, they're working on that. And the PCB adaptation proofing schematic design progress 60%. So software wise, you have the AtomOS development progress, and the latest version 1.2.10 was released. The app relocator, there's a new AI part of it. Progress is 99%, so that's pretty close, and it was released 1.2.10, like on the firmware 1.2.10. The sharing blacklist function was released again in 1.2.10, and the application IP segment support for app relocator again 1.2.10. Domain configuration smart root list feature development 85%. HTTPS filtering, which is going to be in relation to specific applications, that's 85%. DeeperNaut delay test function development, don't know what that means, 85%. GUI reconstruction, now we know that is actually coming, that is very, very soon. And that is going to be released with the new firmware, which is going to be extremely soon. It may already be out by the time you're watching this, and it looks amazing. So NAT functionality optimization, NAT is basically how it directs information. QoS function, research and development. Okay, so we had 1.2.7 released, 1.2.8 and 1.2.10. You'll notice 9 is missing, and I think from what I remember, 9 had a few issues, so they immediately released a fix for it, so that's why they haven't put it in this. And in the latest update, which we have now, so the ad filtering engine was updated for YouTube videos, and it does work. I've used it on my phone with the phone app, and the phone app works as well, which is worth its weight in gold. Fixed application relocation Telegram connection failure issue. So people who are using Telegram, they may have had issues being on that. So Deeperchain, now don't forget that we are moving over to Solana, so Deeperchain will continue to be developed, but then Deeperchain itself will be migrated over and across. The bridge to actually migrate the chain is finished, so that's a pretty big thing. So in May, proxy wallet, this basically goes through all of the really techie stuff in regards to blockchain and the programming. So updated this argument, the interface to improve the transaction sending process, and I'm just basically going to rip through it. Added Solana, added support for Solana, which obviously we're doing the migration. Enhanced compatibility with the Solana network. Removed some code, some commented out code. Remove redundant, yeah, okay. Attack server. Don't really need to know anything about that, really. So DeeperGPT. DeeperGPT was the chat which was done on the front end of the website. So you could ask it for support and stuff. This is just in regards to that. So they've added a few and taken a few things out. The Deeper chatbot, yeah, upgraded to GPT-4 model to enhance the intelligence level. Obviously GPT-4 is the latest one, and it is pretty smart. I've used it a few times. CP Slack, don't know what that is. GUI front end. So this is a massive improvement which they've gone through. It's not out yet, but it will be out extremely soon, and it looks amazing. So these are just little tiny things. So I added a logo, backing up the wallet, which is the new experimental cold storage wallet. Added a submit your feedback page, support for Solana Chain DevNet, real-time address verification functionality, fix the token balance not displaying during refresh, and this mainly really is about the wallet. Have I just skipped? That's 1, 2, no. So this is mainly about the wallet. So unified Ethereum Solana interfaces, remove case sensitivity checks, all wallet related stuff. And then same, so on the front end, temporary bot password simulation feature, browser URLs, Bitcoin blockchain and wallet. So we're going to get Bitcoin on there as well. Get balance, base URLs, endpoints, set mnemonic functions. Yeah, this is all to do with the wallet. Okay, and this is the first time that I've actually read this, so I didn't want to read through it first, make notes. I just want to do it on the fly. Yeah, wallet, and again, wallet. So they're really working on this transaction security protection scheme for hardware wallet middleware. Just security updates, and right, this isn't wallet related. So attack server data query optimization and file caching solution. So reduce database load by caching, introduce a file caching mechanism to enhance user download speed. Oh, so they're now going to cache files on the device. That's interesting. Reduce database reader operations to improve query and caching strategies. Same thing. And function data migration solution. Okay. Data caching solution for proxy model middleware. Yeah, that's the wallet. So these are the tech wallet references, which you can, tech doc references, which you can go on to obviously read about it. Standard places. So community news. This is what really appeals to most of you guys, because obviously the community, it's on like the front end, so we get to see all the stuff that Deeper's doing, and you may have missed things. So this is a good way to remind you of what has actually happened since the last one. So they shared interesting information related to cybersecurity. So that's basically their tweets that they put out. Shared the white paper content, which is available on the website anyway, but they keep putting little bits in to say, did you know this about the white paper? Released monthly lock screen wallpapers. Well, it's nice. It promotes Deeper Network, but it's not really important. Shared tips on how to customize Atom OS. Weekly tutorials on the Deeper YouTube channel. Shared weekly DPR and cross-chain bridge data, which I do in my updates. Announced that DeeperConnect will soon introduce hardware wallet functionality integrated into Atom OS. I already have it, and I've just released a video about that, and it's pretty smart. It's basic, but it's smart. Released Mother's Day promotions, summer activities and Father's Day activities. Published firmware version updates. Shared cybersecurity stories. Okay, great. Shared user testimonials. And shared how DeeperConnect devices help users watch the UEFA Euro 2024, even though England lost, so it doesn't really matter. I'm joking, I don't really care. Interviewed with Deeperchain evangelist Eric Ma on the MC² Fi, discussing future cross-chain bridge trends. I actually recorded that and I put it onto YouTube, so if you want to watch that, go onto the videos and you'll be able to find it. Shared cybersecurity related quotes. Announced that Deeper Air is out of stock in certain places. You can now pre-order it like what the Mini was. Announced the completion of the Solana cross-chain bridge deployment to the community. Released updates on the DPN app interface, which is also coming quite soon. And YouTube support from DeeperNaut, which is me, Furhan Reviews, Matrix Money Podcast, Diego, and CryptoJar. Marketing news. So in May we had the Indiegogo crowdfunding, and there's going to be a new one called Indie Shop, where you'll be able to just buy devices that were originally on the platform but have now closed. You'll be able to actually buy them straight off, which is pretty cool. DPN app update, so the UI has been revamped, the survey was done, and so on. new market expansion. So there's a partnership with distributors in India. It's still in progress. Obviously, they have those new laws where they have to have logs, and obviously we don't have them, so you got to tread a bit finely with that. Promotions, Mother's Day promotion for online safety of people in your family. And a summer sale was also launched on Indiegogo, and a new channel, the new Deeperchain Air was launched on Stack Commerce. Also in discussion with Temu to launch on the platform. So Stack Commerce, they basically sell some hardware, but they also sell software like lifetime deals. I've got a couple of them. I've used them before in the past. In fact, the software I use to translate all of these videos for subtitles and the AI that I use to create the thumbnails were actually bought from Stack Commerce deals. So it's quite a big thing. And Temu, I heard that was a scam, but it's not. However, Temu, it's really annoying. They advertise all the time, and I just want to stay away from it. But a lot of people are using it, so it's good to have them on there. Hopefully they'll sell a lot of devices. And then new market expansion, so agreements have been reached with Indian distributors, and WPS related certifications have been obtained. That's cool. So the devices are passing a certification for regulations and things. Father's Day sale was held in mid-June. The promotion for the Mini was launched with the UEFA European Championship, allowing fans to watch the game worldwide for free. A new channel expansion in the progress of launching devices on the Temu platform. So it's gone in May from discussing with Temu to them being in June launching devices on Temu. So we are going to be on Temu. Don't know how I feel about that, but okay. So that is basically it in a nutshell. I just thought I'd come on and talk to you about what the newsletter is, how it's gone, what we've been doing, just to round everything up. So just a quick video. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more stuff like this, and use the code DeeperNaut at checkout for an extra 5% off. Don't forget you will get access to the cold storage wallet by doing that, which is on the device, plus the app relocator, plus all the other stuff that comes on these devices, and you'll be able to browse the internet in anonymity and cover your tracks. Not that you've got anything to hide, but you should have the right to be private online. So thank you very much. Please look after yourself, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.